Ginger the Giraffe by Monkey Pen. E. Okay. I will be with my son who will be listening all the way because this is for his video listening. See, the background noise will be with my son. Okay, let's start. Once upon a time, there was a giraffe named Hector. Hector lived in Kenya, country in Africa. Like all the giraffes, Hector had a long neck and long legs. See, this is the giraffe. Because he was so tall, he was able to eat food. The very tops of the trees in the savannah. See, the giraffe is eating those leaves in the tree. The savannah in Africa is an area with lots of grass and some trees. Sometimes, the savannah is called grasslands. The other animals like zebras and antelopes could not reach where Hector could reach. But Hector always found food. He loved the leaves and the new buds of trees. See, this is the giraffe. The giraffe is so very tall. And because of the long necks, you'll see why Hector is eating. And the savannah at the background you can see. Okay. So one day, Hector was so busy eating his favorite leaves along with some other giraffes. It was a bright sunny day and there was not a cloud in the sky. It had not rained for a long time, so the grass was very dry. So he heard a noise down at the bottom of his extra long legs. It was his friend, Mickey the monkey. Mickey was trying to say something, but Hector could not understand what he was saying. He looked very tired, and Mickey said, "What's wrong?" asked Hector. Hector was a very kind giraffe, and he wanted to help everyone. Just then, Mickey fell over. So I will be speaking vernacular from this day. I mean, from this audio. So katutor, nahulog daw ang unggoy. Kani, kaning unggoy diri katanaw. Nahulog ang monkey. Ana siya nga, naunsa ka? Na ang monkey. So ana si Hector, sige tabangan ti ka. Ana si Hector kaning giraffe. Ah, and I'll be speaking English then. So Hector was also a smart giraffe. He knew what was wrong. Mickey couldn't find anything to eat and he was very hungry. Hector nibbled some fresh, tender leaves and buds from the top of the tree where he was eating. He dropped some of the leaves and buds to the ground near where Mickey was was. Then he nudged him a little with the hoof of the bottom of one of his very long legs. And Mickey said, I'm sorry. And Hector said, "Wake up, Mickey. I've found something for you to eat." Slowly, Mickey sat up and ate a little. Look, Mickey is eating some grass. Eh, look here. This is Mickey, the monkey. This is you, the giraffe. And after a while, when Mickey was feeling better, Hector asked him, "What happened, Mickey? Why are you so hungry? Why can't you find anything to eat?" Mickey said, "It hasn't rained for so long, and now there's no more food." "That's not good," said Hector. What's happening with the other animals? No one knows what to do, answered Mickey. All the zebras and the antelopes and the elephants are getting worried about the dry grass. Some of them are thinking about leaving the savannah and trying to reach the jungle. That's a long trip, said Hector. Are you going to go with them? I don't know, answered Mickey. What do you think we should do? We should go. Oh, Hector thought for a while and then suddenly he had a good idea. We should go to talk to Leo the lion. He's the smartest animal in the savannah. He was too tired to walk, so Hector invited him to ride on his back. Hold on tight to my neck, said Hector. There's a lot to hold on to, joked Mickey. So Hector laughed. You're right. I got the longest neck in Africa. So Hector laughed. So they started their journey across to the other side of savannah looking for